Now to a surprising confession from NFL player turned actor Terry Crews.
In videos that have been posted on Facebook, he opens up about what he calls a dirty little secret that nearly ruined his life. NBC's Janet Shamlian has that story.
One thing everybody has to realize is that you can't survive with guilt and shame.
It's a revealing confession from a recognizable face.
Pornography, it really messed up my life in a lot of ways. What's my name?
Beloved actor, former athlete, and well-known ad man Terry Crews is opening up about his years of addiction to pornography.
If day turns into night and you are still watching, you probably got a problem. And that was me. It's just like eating, when you feel sad or lonely, you grab food. And instead of food, for me, it would be pornography.
In a series of videos Crews posted to his Facebook page, the father of 5 discusses how the addiction affected his life and the way he looked at the world.
It changes the way you think about people. People become objects. People become, body parts. They become things to be used rather than people to be loved.
And reveals how it nearly ended his marriage.
Well, another thing that I had to battle was a sense of entitlement. I felt the world owed me something. I felt like my wife owed me sex.
Crews says he's been free of his addiction for 6 or 7 years, but is coming forward now to help others who may share the same issue. And studies suggest that number is significant and growing.
Pornography addiction is actually thought to be one of the most common phenomenon and rapidly growing mental health problems we have today.
An estimated 2 million people suffer from an addiction to internet sex, and 90% of children between 8 and 16 have looked at online porn. The internet now making the material ever more accessible.
The pornography itself is becoming more addictive, and everyone has effectively a crack pipe in their office, in their living room, which is the computer, or on their person, the phone now.
Crews is trying to remedy that problem with advice to the concerned significant others of addicts.
Anything that will make you feel denigrated, that will make you feel less than, you cannot accept it. And that's a message for all women out there.
But he believes the cure has to come from the conflicted.
And the truth is, he has to do it.
Crews says he'll continue to talk candidly about the issue, hoping his honesty can help others.
The more you talk about it, the more we can beat it. We can beat it. You're going to win.
For today, Janet Shamlian, NBC News.
I think I'm sorry, go ahead.
I just say it takes a lot of courage to own up to that, to be public about it, and hopefully will help others.
Start
a conversation.
He could have said, this is 6 years in my past. It's ancient history. I'm not going to talk about it.
Right.
But to come forward to help people, I think is great.
People don't want to talk about it, but a lot of people will relate.
Coming up.